Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the full guide on how to make the most of Trello's personal dashboard feature in 2025. Let's start by opening your Trello and navigating to your very own personal dashboard. You can do this by clicking on the home icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now, why do we do this? Your personal dashboard is your command center from where you can manage all your tasks and projects in one place. Now that we're in, you'll see a summary of your boards and tasks at a glance. The reason we have this overview is to help you quickly identify what needs your attention without having to dig into each board individually. Next up, let's explore the Your Work tab. Click on it and you'll see all the cards assigned to you across all your boards. This helps us because it brings all your tasks into one consolidated view, enhancing your productivity and workflow. Now, note the Up Next section. This section is automatically populated with your cards based on their due dates. The reason we have this feature is to help you prioritize your work and never miss a deadline. Let me explain why this matters. In the busyness of our days, it's easy to lose track of what's due and when. Up Next keeps you on top of your tasks and ensures you're always ahead of your schedule. Lastly, let's look at the Highlights section. Here, you'll see updates from your team and important notifications. The reason we use this is to stay in the loop with what's happening across your team and boards. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello's algorithm curates these highlights based on your activity and interactions, so you always see what's most relevant to you. Before we wrap up, let's not forget the Boards tab, which gives you a snapshot of all your boards. Clicking on any board here will take you directly to it. This helps us by providing easy and quick navigation to our boards. And there you have it. We've now explored all the key features of your Trello personal dashboard. Remember, the dashboard is designed to help you manage your tasks and projects more efficiently and effectively. So, make the most of it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep organizing and keep achieving.